Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a summer go-to makeup look, and I don't know, I've never done a makeup look before, so this is gonna be all new territory for me, and in no means at all that I am a makeup guru. I don't even like foundation, I don't like concealer, my face just says no. Unless I'm really going out and like for a celebration, a party, or something, I will wear that stuff. But for everyday basis, I'm going the most simplest, most basic makeup look ever. And this is literally like 5 products. 5. Just 5. And I've always wanted to try the Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid. I have a dry face and dry lips and everything, so I wanted to try this, and let's see if my first impressions and if I will like this for the summer. So let's get started. If you buy the Glossier You perfume, you get this for free, and I bought this and I should have gotten that one, but it's okay, it's okay. Let's try it. Ooh, such a beautiful bottle. Look at it. Look how pretty. It's like the classic pink. The bottle is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. You just want to like keep this on your desk or something. But yeah, let's try it. My hands are washed. They're clean. Trust me. Wash your hands, folks. Especially now. Do I mix this? I don't think so. Just as for extra glow. Okay, let's try it. I'm only doing 1 pump first. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Ooh. Ooh. 1 pump is actually a lot. Look at it. That's actually a lot for 1 pump. I don't know how they said apply to. So I'm gonna rub it with my hands. Ooh. And I guess I'm gonna dab it onto my high points first, and then I spread it all over my face because I wanna be glowy. Is there a difference? I don't know. It's very I'm gonna massage my face with this. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder, so applying this because I don't have a mirror in front of me. So, yeah. That actually feels really nice. My face feels more hydrated, more supple. Bounce, bounce, bounce. It actually feels really nice. I don't know. Can you tell if there's a glow? A little bit. A little bit. So, there's that. We'll see how it holds up with all the other products I'm going to put on my face. Let's see, what do I have next? I will be putting blush on. It's going to be Rare Beauty. There we go. Rare Beauty in the peach. In the color, ooh, hello, in the color Joy. It's a muted peach blush, and I'm gonna use the most tiniest amount. Ooh, it's a little oily. My fingers are oily. Oh no. Let's hand sanitize ourselves. Hopefully that breaks it up. And a tissue. Okay. So this blush is highly pigmented, and you need the most tiniest amount. If I can get the brush out. Okay. I usually take not even this much. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Well, that's gonna be for both cheeks. It sounded like I said butt cheeks, but both cheeks on the face, not butt cheeks. So, that tiny, that small. Rub, rub, rub. Oh my gosh, that's so much. I'm gonna have to like abort. Oh my gosh, that's so much. Dab with the tissue. Wipe. Wipe. That was so much. Tissue. Saves the day. That was a lot. Oh no. It looks better now. Okay. Crisis averted. Oh my goodness, that was so much. As you can tell, that was a lot. So definitely do not put as much as I did that one. Gotta clean my hands because I do not want more of that onto my face. But you can see the blush, very subtle peach color. Yay for the summer. Next I'm gonna do my brows and my mascara off camera because we all have different skills for that. I don't know, mine is just these two, Glossier Lash Slick, which I always have a backup for my backup. So when I'm done with this, I have another one and I have another one. So I love this one because it is very simple. It makes my lashes look like they're naturally long and it's easy to take off. But that's it. And then the Anastasia brow gel, tinted brow gel for my lashes. For my brows. There we go. Yes. Okay, I'm back. So brows are done, lashes are done. I'm not going to do an eye makeup. This is the most simplest, most basic makeup tutorial ever. After that chaos just ensued from the blush, crisis averted, this is what the face looks like now. And I'm going to try a new lip thing for me. It's from Sunnies Face. If you don't know what Sunnies Face is, it's a Filipino makeup brand. And they recently just started selling in the United States. Their website went live, I think 2-3 weeks ago. And I am so excited because they launched Lip Treat. And this one actually came from the Philippines. And my sister went home to the Philippines and brought this back for me. I really wanted Girl Crush, that shade. And it was sold out everywhere. She went to multiple stores, multiple malls, and it was sold out everywhere. So she ended up getting me juice, and I can't wait to try it. It's in this beautiful, there we go. Beautiful, kind of like, I don't know how to say it, grape color? Anyways, let's try it. So I have dry lips, so hopefully this works. Ooh. It's like a lip balm. And it gives it just a subtle glow, like my lips, but better. But that's it for my makeup look for the summer. So yes, first impressions on this, really good. My skin feels really soft, hydrated, and I can't wait to keep using it for the summer. I'm very excited. Note to self for this one. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. I will use the most smallest amount again. That was too much. I did not expect it. Next time I'm not putting it on my finger, I'm putting it on the back of my hand. And yeah. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, bye!